Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about low voltage spotlights, and it's that time of year, and so I want the front of the house to look really good, but I also don't want a bunch of bugs up underneath my porches, and so I want to have the front of the house have security lighting and just really cool lighting, but I don't want the whole house to be lit up where it draws the bugs in and I get a bunch of spider webs and all kinds of stuff with that. So I wanted to get some low voltage lighting, and I have these 6 pillars in the front of my home, and so I wanted spotlights for them. And so I got these SunV spotlights. These are an aluminum, cast aluminum spotlight. They're 6 watts, which has got plenty of power, and it puts like an uplight onto things like trees, pillars, anything you really kind of want to uplight, it'll do for you. Not only does it have a cast aluminum light housing, but it also has a cast aluminum spike, that's 6-inch spike as well. So you can kick it, you can push it into the ground, you can step on it. It's got a piece in the bottom that you can step on. The assembly is really easy. You just have to screw the spike onto the light, and then it has an adjustable side piece here where you can make the light go fully straight up in the air. You can push it down so it's pointed towards my hand, or put it up against the pillar, which I have perfect now, so I'm not going to adjust it. So it has that. And then it's really easy. It's got really easy cable pieces that come with it. So you can put the end of the cable lights into here. So the wiring goes into there. And then when you want to attach it to your long running wire that's coming across, it looks like this. When you want to attach it, you're just going to put it into here like that. And you'll screw the caps down on it. And it makes a connection to the wire. So this has got a wire piece in it, connects it to here. And then if you're the light and the light's got little pieces on them, you basically just got to strip the wire down just a little bit there, put it into here, crank this tight, make sure it doesn't pull back out, make sure it's nice and tight in there. And then when it's done, your light will light up. And so the other thing I really like about these, because it was the front of my house, is I didn't want a lot of glare. And so they come with these. And these are just like a plastic piece that you can take in and out if you want. And basically, it prevents glare. So you don't, if you walk outside, I don't want to be blinded when I walk outside from inside my home at night. And so this does, it basically keeps the shine of the light up onto the post versus having it kind of disperse and blind you when you walk out of your house. And so I love that. You still get a light from it. It works really great. This came in an 8-pack for about 115 bucks. I'll put a link in the description below. It's on Amazon. You'll love them. SunV makes a bunch of different things. They make transformers, they make spotlights, they make a ton of stuff. Low voltage wiring. This is their low voltage wiring as well. Comes in multiple weights and things like that. So it's theirs. It's much cheaper. It's half the price you would pay going to a big box store like Home Depot or Lowe's. So what they charge you for 50 feet, you can get 100 feet online, and it's low voltage wiring. You're going to bury it. Nobody's going to ask what brand it is. And frankly, SunV's wiring is really, really good. I've used it on multiple projects. I'm lighting up the front of my house. This came in an 8-pack. They have different ones. You can get them in 4-packs and 6-packs. You can get them in a bunch of things. But I wanted 8 because I have 6 pillars in the front and I have 2 trees up front. So 8 is perfect. And basically I have a low voltage transformer that I ran around here, and I went under my sidewalk to make sure I have no wiring exposed, and it lights up the front of my house extremely well. So 6 watts, cast aluminum spike as well. If it's a plastic spike, pass on it. It's going to probably be a garbage light. These work really, really well. And 6 watts is perfect for just giving the right amount of light off the front of the house. So that's it. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about low voltage wiring or lighting, I'm your guy. I've done multiple projects on this. It's the easiest do-it-yourself project you can do. If you want to do that, the biggest thing you have to do is put a little slit in your yard to bury the wire. That's it. So that's the hardest part of the entire project. So we'll see you next time. Super thanks, as always, welcome. See ya.